Repair, closure. Absorbable suture materials such as catgut, polyglactin, polyglyconate, polyglycolic acid, polydioxanone, PDS, and polyglycaprone. Non-absorbable suture materials such as silk, linen, surgical steel, nylon, polyester, polybutester, and polypropylene. Alternatives to sutures. Skin adhesive strips. For the skin, self-adhesive tapes or steri-strips. Other adhesive polyurethane films, such as Opsite, Tegaderm, or Bioclusive. Tissue glue. Tissue glue is also available. Stapling devices. Use the codes in this section to designate wound closure utilizing sutures, staples, or tissue adhesives, e.g., 2-cyanoacrylate, either singly or in combination with each other, or in combination with adhesive strips. Simple repair. It is used when the wound is superficial, i.e., involving primarily epidermis or dermis, or subcutaneous tissues without significant involvement of deeper structures, and requires simple one-layer closure. This includes local anesthesia and chemical or electrocauterization of wounds not closed. For closure with adhesive strips, list appropriate evaluation and management service only. A local anesthetic is injected around the laceration and the wound is cleansed, explored, and often irrigated with a saline solution. The physician performs a simple, one-layer repair of the epidermis, dermis, or subcutaneous tissues with sutures. With multiple wounds of the same complexity and in the same anatomical area, the length of all wounds sutured is summed and reported as one total length. Intermediate repair includes the repair of wounds that, in addition to the above, require layer closure of one or more of the deeper layers of subcutaneous tissue and superficial, non-muscle, fascia, in addition to the skin, epidermal and dermal, closure. Single-layer closure of heavily contaminated wounds that have required extensive cleaning or removal of particulate matter also constitutes intermediate repair. A local anesthetic is injected around the laceration and the wound is cleansed, explored, and often irrigated with a saline solution. Due to deeper or more complex lacerations, deep subcutaneous or layered suturing techniques are required. The physician sutures tissue layers under the skin with dissolvable sutures before suturing the skin. Extensive cleaning or removal of foreign matter from a heavily contaminated wound that is closed with a single layer may also be reported as an intermediate repair. With multiple wounds of the same complexity and in the same anatomical area, the length of all wounds sutured is summed and reported as one total length. Complex repair includes the repairs of wounds requiring more than layered closure, viz., scar revision, debridement, e.g., traumatic lacerations or avulsions, extensive undermining, stents or retention sutures. Necessary preparation includes creation of a defect for repairs, e.g., excision of a scar requiring a complex repair, or the debridement of complicated lacerations or avulsions. Complex repair does not include excision of benign, 11,400 to 11,446, or malignant, 11,600 to 11,646, lesions.